How to reset password on Peacock TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can reset your password on Peacock TV, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to reset your password on Peacock TV, let's say you happen to forget it, it is very simple to do so. First of all, simply open up your browser and then you simply want to go to peacocktv.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Then you want to make sure to just click the sign in option from the top right hand side. And in case you happen to forget your password, once you're on the sign in page, you'll be redirected to a page where you can simply enter your email address and your password, where you have to click on the forgot password link. Once you click the forgot password link, it will send a link to your email, and on your email you simply want to go ahead and then basically open up your email over here. Once you open up your email here, in this case you'll receive the reset link from Peacock TV, which you can simply use in order to go ahead and then use a new password. Once you've entered a new password, your password from Peacock TV will be successfully resetted, and this way you can go ahead and then reset your Peacock TV password. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.